how to change Beehiiv domain. In this video, I'll show you how to change Beehiiv domain. So changing your Beehiiv domain is a smart move if you're rebranding, switching URLs, or simply want a more professional look for your newsletter. So to do that, click on the settings button at the bottom left of your page and then head over into the domains tab. Now, once you're on the domains tab, go ahead and click on this edit button at the right side of the web URL. So in here, you need to enter your new domain or subdomain and then choose whether to redirect or not your root domain to your Beehiiv site. So configure DNS records. Beehiiv will provide A and C name records. Update this in your domain or registrar such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, or what. You can also use Beehiiv's entry setup for automatic configuration. Now, Beehiiv will prompt you to verify the domain, so use TXT records or tax records or entry for verification. Now, once verified, Beehiiv will activate your new domain. Now, you need to test your newsletter site and email sending to ensure everything works. If you're switching from an old domain, you need to go ahead and head over into the domains tab and then remove the current domain that you're using and then follow the prompts to disconnect it. And that is how you can basically change Beehiiv domain. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.